and welcome to another episode of Bandsaw Basics, starring Bandsaw Billy. He's going to be doing all the cutting today. I'd like to thank you all for joining me, and if you like what you see, give me a like and a subscribe, make comments. I read those. For those of you who got into the Pokemon card openings, I'm hoping to do another one soon. Lincoln I gotta get Lincoln over here to do that. He's but yeah, we just kind of going through some financial stuff, and I don't have Lincoln all the time. I see him every day, but I just have yet to actually get him to do some card openings. I'm trying to keep the channel alive though with my Bandsaw Basics here. So here I am trying to keep the channel alive, and I thank you all who watch my content. Yeah, I notice I get a few views, so I mean it's fun to make these. If I'm gonna do cutting on the bandsaw, I figure I might as well make them. You can check me out on Instagram at Half Finished Projects. I'll leave a link in the description, or not in the comment section. You can check out my Instagram page. If you've got an Instagram, and I'm trying to start up a TikTok as well, Half Finished Projects. So before we get started, I will show you what I'm doing today. Dragon Ball Z obviously is one of my favorite shows, and what I like to is the second form of Freeza. Frieza's second form is my personal favorite. I was going to stand him on the 3-star ball. Okay. So before we get into this, I'd like to say to keep your fingers away from the blade. If you got to get something out of there, always turn off the machine. Make sure the machine is off. And as I do this, I always make sure that I have eye protection. You don't want to get sawdust in your eye. So those are the two major ones. Okay, without further ado, let's get to cutting. Now I'm looking at it, this one's got like a few complicated turns. So. See, perfect example. Turn off the machine. It does kind of suck waiting, but it sucks even more cutting your finger. In hindsight, I probably should have done the bottom first. Because, dang it. Did it fall out? Okay, I got it right here. Because I don't want to break these, so let me start down here a little bit. Actually, I'm gonna cut this. I'm gonna cut this huge section out right here. Now that'll probably be a little bit easier to work with. I had enough cut to not pinch it. Everything's gonna get sanded, so whole point of these videos is to try to show you how you should make cuts on a bandsaw. Because I broke a few blades when I got back into it. I hadn't used a bandsaw in years. But I was trying to use it as if I was like cutting paper, and yeah, that's not going to happen. Bandsaw like this runs you $200 at Home Depot. Like one of the best $200 I ever spent. Blades are like 15. I need to buy a backup blade because this is my last blade. Yeah, I try not to push the limits of the blade. Push it to the limit. What I don't want to do is push it to the limit. How about you? I push it to the limit. Yeah, the limit. Yes, reading Rainbow is like stuck in my head for some reason. So what I want to do in sections like that is just take out a piece. I'm just trying to take it out piece by piece. Really, I shouldn't be sticking my finger that close to the blade, but I mean, uncareful. No, that's very dangerous. I don't recommend doing it, but if you do it, be very careful. Something like this. See, I hate little spots like that. It's going to be hard to get into with my paintbrush. But it is what it is. It is what it is, and that's all that it is. I am what I am. He's so big, he's interfering with over here. I keep bumping him into the bandsaw. I had to make him bigger because this is, if anybody is a fan of Dragon Ball Z, you would know that this is Freeza's biggest form. This is my personal favorite form of his. I'm probably going to have to be careful when I'm sanding his horns. of getting here. My focus is, what can I do take out a huge chunk? Yeah. Thank God I didn't pinch the blade. I hate that. You gotta cut the machine. Again, same thing with his hand over here. I'm not the best with fingers, so that's one finger, that's his thumb. He's got pincher robot hands, I don't care. I think it'll still look alright. If you think it looks like crap, leave me a comment in the comment section. And I'll tell you that I don't care. Oh man, I almost just cut his hand off. That would have sucked. That would have sucked so bad. I don't want to have to glue any part of him. Another instance where I should cut down the machine. While I'm waiting this spot right here, I'm gonna have to take the jigsaw too. And this right here, my idea is to take the big drill bit, see if I can make it look nice. I might be able to take the jigsaw there too, or it's going to be too small of an area. We'll find out. But that I'm not going to be recording. I don't think I can keep the camera on it. Man, my hand keeps going numb. Carpal tunnel, carpal tunnel. Yeah, I got a tunnel of crap in my hand. No. Oh, too bad on his feet. think I got everything. Cool. On to the Dragon Ball. Save the easiest for last. What I always say. If you're cutting a circle, I shouldn't have just done that. If you're cutting a circle, it's kind of try to cut straight. I mean, obviously a circle isn't straight. I'll try to cut it at like a slight angle, but when you get it shaved down, it's not gonna pinch your blade. You can go back around it. Yeah, I had that like a slight angle. You do like slight angles. I wouldn't try to like go completely in a circle. Your blade, see, kind of like that. You see there's a slight angle to it, kind of straight. That don't look too bad. Oh, knocked off the yellow piece. Okay, let's see. Hey, stands up. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. That's the idea. He's going to be on top of the 3-star bowl. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to stand him because I might stand him so you can still see. It'll kind of look like a 2-star bowl. But all painted up, that thing's going to look sick, in my opinion. Alright, and to wrap it up here, again, I just want to say thank you again to everybody who watches and likes my content. It's amazing. I appreciate all the viewership. I appreciate the subscribers. Before I leave here, the message I like to send is if you have kids or if you have nephews, if there's a child in your life, do your best to try to be the active adult. You know, if you're a father, mother, be the active adult in your kid's life. I personally like to do things like my kid likes the scooter, so I bought us scooters and I push around on it. It's my exercise. You know, he wants to go out and play catch. I throw a ball with him. Today he wanted to go play disc golf, and there's a disc golf by my house. So we went out, we threw 18 holes. My shoulder's kind of feeling it, but you know, we went out and we threw. And he's improving on his disc skills on how to throw. You know, we also played at the new playground in town. And I'll get on, I don't care. I'll go down the slides with him and everything, best I can. I try to climb around. I've been trying to go on a diet, so trying to lose some of this belly so I can be more active with him. But if he wants to go out riding bikes, what have you, he wore me out today and still wanted to keep going. I'm like, I can't do it. But yeah, I try my best to be the active adult in my life, and I get my dad involved. We play catch, and I just love it. So that's the message I really had to send home, and I can't stress it enough, man. Just be the active adult in your kid's life. It helps them develop. It helps them grow. It'll keep them so. Video games aren't all bad. They play a little bit, but it keeps it so that it's not. That's not just the only thing he does. My kid plays video games, but I love the fact that when he'll look at me and just say, "Hey, let's go outside." Okay, yeah, sure. That's what I want. I want you outside. And if it takes me getting up and going outside with you to get you outside, yeah, I'll do it every time. Every time. After work, I drag myself out the door. I love it. I love being active with my kid, and I suggest you be active with your kid as well. And as always, praise the Lord. God bless everybody. Thank you for watching. Peace out. Love you.